Good evening, Southern Maryland, and I'm aspiring meteorologist John Bordash with you right now to update your forecast. And even though we saw a lot of clouds today, our temperatures did get on up until the 50s. They were below average over 59 degrees, but we did see at least warmer conditions than what we've been seeing over the past few days. Again, we have been looking at this brief warm-up. Initially, we were looking at that cold air getting pumped into the region from the north, and now this high-pressure system's now moving on off into the Atlantic, starting to pump in that milder air down from the south. We're going to be even warmer tomorrow, and then we're going to drop really fast and really far on Saturday and Sunday. Now, your first alert radar right now isn't showing anything, and again, it's not going to, at least not for the short term. I think tomorrow we have that chance of rain. I'm thinking pretty much after 2 to 5 o'clock tomorrow, so the best time frame is going to be after sundown tomorrow and then before sunrise on Saturday. Again, this isn't going to be a heavy rain event, just a few light showers are possible. I wouldn't cancel any plans for Friday night. I will just carry a small umbrella just in case you happen to be under one of those showers. Now, your day planner for tomorrow does show that we start off pretty mild, 50 degrees. We're going to keep these clouds in the region, which isn't going to allow us to cool off all that much, so we will be above average tomorrow, temperatures ending up into the lower 60s. Here's your 7-day forecast, and we have a lot to talk about with this. Again, tomorrow, warm, 62, with that chance of rain primarily after sundown tomorrow. Then we look at a little bit of a frontal system move on through the region. Saturday, we're not all that far from average, only 50 degrees. We're not super cold. Sunday, though, 36 will be your high temperature. It's going to be really frigid with high winds. I think wind chills on Sunday will not get above 25 degrees, so it's going to be feeling very cold. Monday, more the same, maybe 1 to 2 degrees warmer, but you're definitely not going to feel that. Then we do see a little bit of a warm up, if you could call it that, back into the middle 40s by Tuesday. Then we stay there and maybe even a little bit lower for Wednesday and Thursday. I'm watching a possible coastal system on Wednesday may disrupt travel for the Thanksgiving holiday. We may, and this is going on a limb here, we may see a snowflake or two. I'm not expecting this to be a huge snowstorm, but we will be looking at the NAO, or the North Atlantic Oscillation, to turn negative, and the Arctic Oscillation to also turn negative. So we're going to be getting that colder air pumped into the region, and with a negative or neutral NAO setup, we may be looking at the possibility for some coastal storm development. Again, I'll keep you updated on that as we get closer to the event. Right now, what you want to take away is that it's going to be cold for Sunday and Monday, and really windy conditions on Sunday will lead to wind chills only in the teens and 20s all day. Have a nice and safe one, and I'll continue to keep you updated on your ever-changing 7-day forecast.